So the Ad-Blue injector is right behind this, so we will need to remove this plate, which is by I think 8 mm screws here all around, so that this can be dropped down and then we can access the Ad-Blue injector, which is right here. This is the injector for the Ad-Blue, and if you see as coming towards the front of the car, you can see this is the upstream NOX sensor. So the plan will be to remove the injector, clean it up, fit it back, and also clean up the NOX sensors. This is installed by a Jubilee clamp, as you can see here, screw which is here. It's a bit of a tight space, but when I reinstall it back, I'll turn the clamp so that it becomes easier next time anyone wants to remove it. As you can see, this is now pretty much clogged up. This is completely clogged up, and similarly for inside it'll be a similar kind of situation, I expect. Yeah, it's completely clogged up. It's almost clean now. Just need to with the warm water. Now I'll just wipe so that the little white bits which are there, that can be washed off. And I've also used a vacuum cleaner to remove everything what I've removed, chipped out. I used slightly boiling water with a cloth I've used to clean it, clean the inside, so now it looks a bit more shinier. I'll rub off the few bits which you can see still, and then I will reconnect it back. And same for this side. On the injector. Now that the injector has been cleared, there are two downstream sensors I can see. So I'm not really sure. Normally I would have expected one. These are the NOX sensors. So upstream one you've seen. Now the downstream, there are two of them here. So I'll use this to open this. Just remember, when you start the job, it's a good idea to put some WD-40 so that it becomes easier to open these things.